Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking for You. You have been tried many pickles around your life using mango, tomatoes, chilies and what more. But what have you tried Rosal plant pickle, which is also known as ambade ki bhaji, Gongura Pachadi? You might have been tried it off. But have you tried it making at our homes? It's a very simple and delicious recipe. A very quick recipe also when you are too much hungry for pickle. So let's get started with the video and see the process how to make Gongura pickle. Starting up with the process for Gongura Pachadi, we have taken Gongura, which is known as Rosal leaves. We have plugged up the leaves and we are putting into a pan. Into that we are adding green chilies according to our spice. If you like more spicy, add many chilies. If not, use a limited 2 to 3. Add water, 2 glasses of water. And now add turmeric powder to it and put it over the stove for medium flame. And now close the lid for up to 10 to 15 minutes in the medium flame. So you can see the leaf will get soft and the tomatoes will start leaving the water. Where we have seen the bowl full of leaves now have completely got down. Now keep stirring in between for leaves to get soft more. Now you can see our tomatoes are completely cooked and got very much mashy, and the leaves are also completely soaked up. And now after cooling it, we need to mash it up. Any leafy vegetable that we are eating is quite healthy for our diet, for our gut and especially for our eyes. Leafy vegetables are having a very good record of keeping antioxidants and nutrients. So here we are keep stirring in the mid because we don't want it to get burnt. And you can see the whole leaf is completely sawed up. You cannot even see the texture of the leaf in tomatoes. Those are completely sorted off. Remember to cook on low flame only because high flame can make it burnt very quick. And now we are adding salt as per our taste. Here we have put in up 1 tablespoon of salt. And now close the lid. So here you can see how dry the consistency is. Now we are using a wooden hand blender and blending up and mashing up the leaves and tomatoes thoroughly. Completely the water is soaked, only leaves are left in the bowl. Now give it a good mix after getting cool. make it a nice and fine paste with your hands. You can use hand blenders and mixtures also here. Now we are adding again salt to it and grinding it thoroughly. Now it's tadka time. In a pan, heat oil, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, add crushed garlic, and add red chillies to it. Give it a slight mix. Add curry leaves to it. And now put the tadka into the Gongura chutney and give it a hard mix. And our Gongura pickle, Sorrel chutney or palak ambade ki bhaji is ready. Hot rice, white plain rice and this Gongura Pachadi with that is amazing combination. So guys, try it now and check the taste and let us know in our comment section how did you find our Gongura Pachadi to be. Thank you.